Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase tickets for the Atomium and Design Museum online. If you want to go ahead and skip all the annoying queues and long wait times, you can purchase the tickets using the first link you're going to see right here down in the description of this video. Once you go ahead and open up that link, it's going to take you to the official ticket platform right here from where you can get started. So what you can do is click the check availability option to take a look at all the available days we can purchase the tickets for. So you're going to have all the available days. Let's say the 14th right here. I'm going to select the date and then I'm going to select how many tickets I want. So let's say only one adult ticket for me. I'm going to click next to go to the experience page. Here you can go ahead and take a look at similar experiences that you can save money on if you're interested. If not, just go ahead and click no thanks and click next to go to the personal details page, from where we can get started filling out our personal info. So make sure to fill out everything correctly, your first name, last name, email address, phone number, and so on. And once you're done so, you can click next to go to the payment page. It's going to open up this new menu from where we can go ahead and take a look at all the payments that are available to us, such as Apple Pay or debit and credit cards. You're going to select whichever one suits you the most, let's say debit card, and then I'm going to fill out my info in this new menu. Once you fill out the info and you click the pay option, you are going to make the purchase successfully. So once you've made the purchase, your tickets are going to arrive on your email address that you have used for registering your account on this platform. So there you have it. Go into the description of this video, open up the link, go to the platform and get started purchasing your tickets today and skipping all the annoying queues. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.